Okay guys, I think my phone is always like full storage, so let me do it fast now. So this one actually it's not from B&M, it's from Matalan, but I only purchased it for £2. It's for Halloween makeup set. So I just grabbed it for my son's makeup, costume or something on Christmas. And then let me do it fast because I also have Timo that just arrived. So this one is just £3. Let's see later on with Timo, guys, how does it look. But pretty cool with this hamburger Poundland. And then I grab also patty cake. This is £1 only, guys. And then they have here Shark Pen, £1. Oh, 80 pence, sorry, 80 pence. I don't know why I grab it. I'm just thinking maybe it will be cool. And I grabbed this because it's sale. Actually, my son. Christmas socks DIY. 125, but I think it's just 50 pence. You know. And then fragile tape. £1. Oh, okay, the price is actually, my receipt actually is here. And then bed mats for my son, and then toothpaste and nail polish. I like this color of nail polish. £1 only. And that's it for Poundland. Oh, no, there is one more for Poundland. This is a school and office organizer. It's just so cheap. £140. So I grab it. And now, guys, let's I show you this one. Okay, let's open my, it's quite heavy, my Timo. Okay, so first is the knife. Okay, oh my god, it's broken. Look at that, guys. At least I have a video. Yeah, you can see I just opened it, and then oh god, it's broken. Oh no, look at that. Oh my goodness, it's broken, guys. So I need to return it for sure. Let's see with the plate, with the spoon. Yeah, I purchased some spoon, gold, because that is what I have here. The one that I have before I purchased in Aldi, and then okay, let's compare it with the one in Poundland. Where is it? I think Poundland is thick. Oh my god, Poundland is thicker, guys, because you can see with Timo. But it's stainless though. You can see this is from Poundland, this is from Timo. Okay, the Poundland is better quality. Yeah, okay, never mind. But that is, and then socks for my son. It's because he is also like doing kickboxing, and in the kickboxing it's sometimes cold because it's winter now. So it's better because they are without socks, because they are going to run around like that. Oh, okay. Oh, this one is for the so small. This is so bad. I'm in hurry now. Okay, so this one is for the webcam cover. It's so small, you will not see it, but it's for the cover of the webcam. Or no, let me show you more. Like this. It's like that. It's just 80 pence. This one, this one is for my son's water bottle, school stuff, like that. Just his name. Okay, it's okay. And then I grabbed many. It's because I always need for his water bottle. I always purchase water bottle. I think I purchased more, but it's just here few. What is this? I don't know what is this. Ah, okay, for my phone. Just the, what do you call this one? Just for the camera cover, like that. Okay, so this is too bad. I'm so sad about this, but I need to contact them now that I will return this, guys. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy all the haul. I did the Poundland haul, I did the B&M, and Timo haul. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time. Bye. Bye, guys. I love you. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.